When implementing flexible manufacturing, it's really important that as we go on the journey towards a collaborative and autonomous factory, that we're thinking about three key elements. So we have the technology, which we can see behind us. It's absolutely fantastic, and it's really, really important to realising the benefits of a flexible system. But equally as important are the systems. So the systems really dictate the processes that are in place within the organisation to make sure the equipment works in the way that it should. But the most important element for me is the people. Now, we do not want to position this technology as a threat to the people. It's here to empower them, it's here to create more exciting and more interesting jobs, and it's really important we get the right people strategy in place to make sure that we get them on board. So when we're talking to our customers about the agile factory, including that collaborative and autonomous technology, there are two common themes that we often find with customers. Firstly is labour shortages. There's a massive skills exodus in the manufacturing sector, and there just aren't enough people to do the jobs that need to be done. And the second point is really around product quality. Consumer demands are so high at the moment. It's really, really important that we provide the right technology to be able to fulfil those quality needs.
So this is a significant investment, an investment that has come from our European business, and this is a roadshow that's travelled all around Europe. But it's really, really important that we can bring these solutions to our customers, and our customers can visualise their own applications and their own concepts to bring it all to reality. Partnership is absolutely critical for Omron. Omron is a product manufacturer. For us to deliver solutions to the marketplace, we need partners to bring those solutions to real life.
Our role as Rico is to bring Omron's technology together with an industry perspective and create solutions, manufacturing solutions that address real automation challenges. So we believe that solutions work best when we have a strong working relationship with a technology vendor that goes beyond the supply of products.